Will ye go, lassie, go, to the breeze o' Balquhidder, where the blaeberries grow, 'mang the bonny hill and heather, where the deer and the ree, lichtly bounden together, sport the lang summer day. On the breeze o' Balquhidder, I will twin thee a bower by the clear silver fountain, and I'll cover it o'er with the flowers o' the mountain. I will range through the wilds and the deep glens sae dreary, and return with their spoils to the bower o' my dearie. Will ye go, lassie, go, to the breeze o' Balquhidder, where the blaeberries grow, 'mang the bonny hill and heather, when the rude wintry wind idly raves rumour dwelling, and the roar o' the linn on the night breeze is swelling. Then sae merrily we'll sing as the storm rattles out us, till the dear sheeling ring with the licht lilting chorus. Will ye go, lassie, go, to the breeze o' Balquhidder, where the blaeberries grow, 'mang the bonny hill and heather. Now the summer's in prime, with the flowers richly blooming, with the wild mountain thyme, all the moorlands perfuming, dear, dear native scenes. Let us journey together, where glad innocence reigns, 'mang the breeze o' Balquhidder. Will ye go, lassie, go, to the breeze o' Balquhidder, where the blaeberries grow, 'mang the bonny hill and heather, where the deer and the ree, lichtly bounden together, sport the lang summer day. On the breeze o' Balquhidder.